Are you saving a reservation but can't finish the operation? Let's see what needs to be done. Is it not possible to select any reservation owner from the address book? Or perhaps it just offers you some pre-filled profiles? Well, this means that the partner selection is not allowed in the rate code setting. You can check this in the main menu, so click Settings, Rates and Rate Codes. However, it is possible that it is set like this intentionally for some rate codes, which are, for example, contractually based with corporates. So be careful. When trying to save the reservation, the system will always warn you what is wrong, and please pay attention to the system warnings. If the system warning is not displayed, then it is advisable to check the whole page. Some values on the page in the reservation may be marked as mandatory. Mandatory values for creating a reservation can also be set in the main system setup. But access to the main system setup is subject to special user rights. There are mainly parameters such as type of client, segment, partner and others. So let's have a look at the most common mistakes when trying to save a reservation. First of all, it could be a mandatory item, as we've discussed above, has not been filled in. So first of all, ensure all of these fields are completed. If we have exceeded the number of rooms in the system notifies us almost immediately. You can see the red line. There could be an error, such as please fill in the number of guests. This is one of the most common errors. It means that you're missing the number of guests in one of the selected rooms. It is possible to set the default number of guests for rate code in the system, so that this field is pre-filled. You can find a description of this functionality in the customer support zone. When adjusting the date of the reservation, the values and rooms may also change. In this case, the system will notify you that no room has been selected. If the price of the accommodation is edited in some way, or a reservation created with a zero price, the system may block the action, again based on your user rights. In this case, the system will warn that the account item price cannot be zero, and this would mean that my user rights settings do not allow me to either create a reservation for zero or create a reservation with a zero item included. In this case, contact your supervisor or the person in charge of the hotel to help you with this.